This is Ruku the robot. We built it for this class called CSE 145. It was a project that we wanted to do. We started the idea about a year ago. So the goal for the project is to build a kit that educators can buy and can basically assemble it with students, middle school through 9th grade, sit down with them and teach them the principles of science, technology, engineering, and math. A cell phone sits on top, and with our custom software, it will look at the cube and actually get every single color that's on each face of the cube. It tells the robot to move each side until it gets each face of each and every color that's on the cube. It builds a 3D representation of the cube in the iPhone or smartphone software, and then it sends that representation of the cube to the Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi then can solve the Rubik's Cube and then send the motors all the commands necessary to solve the cube. This room that you see here, this is the prototyping lab at Cal IT2, or the Qualcomm Institute, and it's been invaluable. We get to use the drill presses, we get to use a lot of the machines in the back to be able to cut the aluminum, drill holes. We even were able to use the laser cutter to cut our acrylic. Without them, we wouldn't be able to make this. I'm not alone here. I actually had help from Jonas and Will. Because this is more of an electrical engineering aspect or project, we really needed the help of Will as the electrical engineer. He designed the circuits. He did a lot of hard work in making the actual motors talk to the circuitry. And me and Jonas were able to do all the software necessary to interface the two. And Jonas worked a lot on the color detection that we use to detect the colors on the Rubik's Cube with the smartphone software. So I posted this online on Facebook, and the response I got was amazing. A lot of teacher friends that I have said, we want one for our classroom. A lot of people I know, I want these for my kids. I think this would be a really cool thing to have. And who wouldn't want one of these on their coffee table? A couple people even told me that they wanted one for that purpose. So I think it's going to be really exciting to be able to get this into classrooms soon.